Hi, this is Craig with CraigTrader.com, and I'm a long-term investor. I've been investing for over 20 years, but most recently I've really gotten serious about increasing my wealth through consistent investing in the stock market and in also some cryptocurrencies. And so I'd like to share the journey and the success along with you guys. Some of you are new people trying to get into investing. Maybe you haven't invested at all. Maybe you have a 401k and you've been investing in the stock market that way, but you have not really controlled your own investing destiny. And so that's why I'm going to start making these blogs to help you along the way. Some of the pitfalls and things I've learned how to be a successful investor, where I've taken $1,000 and turned one of my accounts into over $5,000 in 1 year. And so I'm going to be starting out basically starting with the Robinhood account. And if you don't have a trading account and you've never invested before, this is for you guys too, for beginners who have never invested, don't know what to do. I can help you along the way, and I will be able to just have you follow some of my trades if you like, or also how to research and how to find your own great stock picks that will outperform the general stock market. And so I started a website. It's called CraigTrader.com. CraigTrader, C-R-A-I-G, Trader, T-R-A-D-E-R.com. All is one word. And I also have a free email newsletter. If you would go in there and just put your email address in to subscribe to the free email newsletter, I will let you know daily or consistently what kind of trades I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. And you can measure and see the success as we go along. I'll be producing these videos pretty much on a consistent basis. I'll try to do them daily. I'm just starting out. I'm new at this, so be patient with me. And also just realize that you can make it. You can be a great success at this. It doesn't matter what age or what state you're starting in life. It doesn't matter what you've been through. You can start with very little money. I mean, as little as $1, $5, whatever you want to start with or can start with. But the key to investing, as the key to success in life, is to get started. Just like I am with these videos. I'm not professional at this at all, but I'm sure I'll improve over time and we can go on this journey together. Again, my name is Craig Smith. Go to CraigTrader.com. Please like and subscribe the video, and I'll be able to give you content as I come out with it. And also give me a thumbs up, hit that like, that thumbs up button, subscribe. I'll be able to continue to give you more information. And also go to CraigTrader.com, that's CraigTrader.com, and subscribe to the free email newsletter. It's absolutely free. I'll give you the trades that I'm doing, and we'll see the success as it happens in real time. Also, I'm going to provide a link to Robinhood to open up a Robinhood account. Please, if you don't have a Robinhood account, just hit that link, open up a Robinhood account, and that'll help you begin to start trading. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.